people, I'm all dressed and ready because I'm all set to pick up my child. It's a Friday afternoon, and but what I intend to do soon after recording. No, I want to be like also honest that I intend to do jhado poncha of my house. Yeah, that's. But then I need to sit in my car and drive like 15 kilometers, so then that can get a bit tiring. But it's okay. So that's why I need to rush through this particular review. And as of yesterday, this book arrived. See what's this book? It's called What's in Your Dabba. And basically, celebrity chefs and foodies share their favorite easy recipes. And honestly, this is essentially a cookbook, so there is no real sense of reading involved, but you get to know that Katrina Kaif likes coconut chutney with idlis, and Malaika Arora likes zucchini noodles with red peppers, and these very amazing sort of it's a cute little book. So what's in your dabba? It's essentially a cookbook, so there's honestly no real reading involved. So it's already a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.